Hey guys, just wanted to do a video for you for this first week. This is something that I'll do probably at the beginning of every week just to go over what you guys are going to be doing, what you need to know for the week, what work, so on and so forth. This one's going to be a little bit more detailed as far as navigating through Canvas. Um, Showing you what you need to click on and look for as you go through the weeks ahead and know what to do as far as your work is concerned. So gonna kind of jump back and forth between the video and Canvas and just kind of give you guys an idea of what to look for. So first thing is, as you get into the week, you're going to log into Canvas, go to the next Gen Tech class, and then the main thing that you're going to want to look for here at the beginning and as you go through each week is the modules. Okay, so you can see I've clicked on modules. Right now I have the start of this week. By the time you watch this, this will be completed and you'll have every day in there. But you'll see once you log in that there'll be a welcome video here, which is what you're watching now. You'll see a weekly attendance discussion. This is something that every class is going to be doing. You'll have a class discussion through the discussion board. That'll be how you get credit for attending. Okay, this will be open starting Monday morning, and you'll have through Saturday at midnight to post your discussion. Okay, if you post your discussion, that counts for your weekly attendance, and that'll be your participation / attendance grade. If you don't post to it, then you will be marked absent. You also will not get credit for attending that week. Okay, so this is very important that you complete the discussion / weekly attendance every week. All right, you can do it Monday, you can do it Wednesday, Friday. It's obviously completely up to you, but it does need to get done before Saturday night at midnight. Okay. So some of them will pertain to your course or what we're doing. Some of them may just be a generalized question, something funny, whatever it may be, that really doesn't pertain to the course. Okay, just our way of monitoring and making sure that you guys are logging in every day. All right, so that'll be at the beginning here, as you can see. So you just click on that. All right, once it loads, you'll hit reply. That'll send in, and then you're good to go. Okay, go back to modules. All right, I will have, as you can see here, each day broken up into what you need to do. The plan probably will be to give you access to the full week. If you get get Monday done and want to work on Tuesday, you can do that. I would definitely try not to get all of it done in one day. As you'll see as we get going into code unit 3, it is going to be a little bit more extensive. Okay. So you can see here for Monday, all right, you're going to have this link. When you click on what is CS, that's going to bring up this window. And then you can come here, click this link, and it'll take you to the article that you're going to read. Okay. Lesson or unit 3 is going to be coding animations and games. This is going to be more in depth into computer science and how you guys use computer science on a daily basis. So more specifically, obviously, is going to be in your realm of gaming and animation. Okay, this is something that you guys do on a daily basis. You guys do it in my class, so you're going to see how those games that you play are developed, and how they serve the purpose, obviously, of giving you guys some entertainment during down times, times when you don't have anything to do. Okay, so this unit I hope you guys will enjoy. As you go through it, you're going to learn block coding, using blocks to develop your games. You will, at the end, have a fully functioning game that you can publish and have other people play on a mobile device or on the computer. Okay, so I hope that you guys get a lot out of this unit. It is going to be extensive, but basically something that you guys use on a daily basis. Okay, so once you would read the article for Monday, you're going to click on code.org, the assignment. I will have a link here that will give you instructions to lessons 1 and 2, which is what you would be doing on Monday. This will be an introduction to the animation and games, give you an idea of why coding and why creating animations and games is important. Okay. Please, as it says here, keep in mind as you go through your code units or lessons that you need to complete every activity in each lesson. Okay, do not just hit continue and skip over something. If you have questions, if you're not sure how to do something inside of a lesson, let me know. I will help you. I saw quite a few lessons last 9 weeks doing your websites that weren't fully completed. And if these aren't completed and I go to grade a certain activity throughout a lesson, then you will not get credit. Okay, just like last 9 weeks with the websites, I will glance through each lesson, but I will choose one specific task to grade. So if you didn't do that specific task, when I go in and grade it, you will get a 0. All right. So make sure that you guys are completing each step. Okay. There will be videos as you go through the lessons. I would highly encourage you guys to watch those. They're going to give you some more in-depth information into how to code for your animations and your games. Okay, so make sure that you take time and watch those. All right, you do have time. Obviously, not everybody's going to be the same. They send out a schedule that you may or may not follow, but that schedule did give you a specific slot for your electives, so obviously this class. So make sure that you are spending time each day doing your work, okay? So some of this will be turned in on Canvas. You will turn in something here for lesson 1 through a Word document that's going to be uploaded. Again, I'll have a link here to help you with that. But some of it will just be me going in and grading or clicking in your code account and grading a specific part of your lesson, a specific activity from your lesson. Okay, so make sure that you're doing that. So again, that would be Monday. Tuesday, you would again have another assignment and probably a video to kind of help you with that. Okay, so make sure that you're clicking each link underneath that specific day, so you have everything and you know what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, as we get going in this, again, we don't know how long this is going to be, So the more we do it, obviously, the more familiar you guys are going to be. I will, do videos, tutorials for your lessons if that's necessary. Some of your lessons are going to take multiple days, so you may get one video but have multiple days to work on a specific lesson or project. Okay, but I'll make sure that you guys know what you're supposed to be doing in advance. All right, so you will get graded. Grades will continue to go in. Um, I'll let you know what's going to be a classwork grade, what's going to be counted as a quiz slash test grade. So you guys know that ahead of time, okay? Um, but you'll have this week. Next week you'll again log in. You'll have a new module that says week of I believe April 4th or 5th. And then that'll be broken up into days as well. Okay. I do have office hours where you guys can specifically get a hold of me. Um, I'll be holding those office hours from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so if you have questions or you need some specific help, we can connect that way through Zoom, which is an app that um, is kind of like a FaceTime type thing where we can see each other, and I can walk you through stuff. I can use Canvas as well. Okay, so if need be, you can always email me, say, hey, I need help. When can we meet? I'll respond and let you know the best way to do that. Okay. So make sure if you guys have questions or you're having issues um, that you get with me, email me, let me know that you're struggling or you have a question. Don't just skip over it and put it off. Okay. Um, we have to make do with what we got, and obviously my job is to help you guys, even though we're not going to be sitting in a classroom together. So make sure that we communicate. Make sure again that you're doing your weekly discussion board, as that's going to be your attendance. Um, and as you go through Canvas and go through the weekly module, again, you're going to see some videos. You're going to have your assignments that you're going to be doing, and I'll be grading everything as we progress. So. Again, hope you guys are doing well. Miss you guys. Can't wait to see you. But for now, we'll be doing this digitally. And again, just let me know if you need any help or have questions. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.